Hey DIY fam, what's going on? You like my little pink here? It was popping this morning but it's sweat out now. Yeah, that's what a lot of hard work cause. Well, I know you see what's behind me, so you must know what day it is. It is update day. Time for me to give you a quick walkthrough of how we are on this project, and we are about 95% complete with what we have to do. And so let me give you a quick walkthrough, show you what we've done, and trust me guys, you're not gonna love this. You are going to love it. Well, I hope you love it like I do. So let's go guys, let's go. Alright, so there's quite a bit left to do. Look at that skyline guys, oh my god. I have some gray clouds here but pretty blue skies. Look at that backdrop. This is picture worthy. Let me get that. All right, so we weren't focusing on the outside, but we did tile the entry steps. As you can see, the steps have a round finish or shape, and so we had to get creative with tiling these steps, but it came out awesome, I think. And tada, we have a front door. Now this is an aluminum security front door. The owner wanted to ensure that his place was safe and secure, so he opted to get a safety door. But let's step inside guys. Do you remember what this looked like? Stop right there. So before we go any further, I have to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and share it as well. Don't forget to show us all your love and leave us a comment in the description below. All right, now that we're done with that commercial break, let's get back to the house tour. We still have quite a bit of cleaning to do, right? Quite a bit of cleaning, but we can say that we are almost done. All right, as you enter, this is the lovely entry or the foyer guys. Very high ceilings, and we did put in a sconce on the wall right here. We did do a chandelier as you walk in to draw your eyes upwards, but we still have the baseboards to put in. And like I said, we still have some cleaning to do, but the sight line down into the dining room is awesome. So yeah, I know you can't wait to see what's around that corner, but before we go there, let's go into bedroom number 1. Now guys, do you remember what this bedroom looked like? It was just one big space. There was no separation for the bathroom and the closets, and we were able to make that possible with drywall. Simple guys, we just put in the drywall. We even use the drywall to do the ceilings, so we could put in recessed lights, and each room has a ceiling fan. This is Jamaica, so yeah, we'll have to prioritize fan. Eventually the owner will put in his air condition, but for now it's the fan. If you see any tape on areas, that's quality checks. Those areas need to be refined. We still have door trims to do as well, so that's in our 5% to complete. And this is the part of the room that we bumped out. The room initially stopped right here, right? And we created this additional space in the room, which will serve as like a sitting area or office area or whatever the owner wishes to use it for. Each room has its own bathroom, and so this is bathroom number 1. Let's step inside. I'll hide my face. No, I won't. Hey! Alright guys, look at this. Right, all the tiling is complete. We have a niche in this bathroom. The owner originally wanted to have a beach vibe going on, and somehow along the line it kind of changed into more contemporary, and so there's a mix of beachy contemporary throughout the house, but I think everything came together pretty well. For the finishes, he likes brushed nickel, and so we focused on that for a lot of the finish that we put into the space, right? If you notice, the shower and the faucet and the lights are brushed nickel. Even the trims that we used around the tile are brushed nickel, right? So this is bathroom number 1, and of course we got the tiles from Creative. All of these tiles are from Creative. And this vanity set is from Jamaica Plumbing. Yes guys, Jamaica Plumbing. Right, so each room also has a closet, and for now, instead of doing built-ins, we just have the regular assembled closet in here. The owner will decide what he wants to do at a later date, but in the interest of cost saving and finishing, he opted to do that. All right, so let's move along to, this is the laundry room. We found a leaky pipe, and so we're trying to fix it before it gets worse. And that's the garage where a lot of the things are stored. Rory's packing up now. And this is bedroom number 2. Here we go, guys. It's pretty similar to bedroom number 1, where we have the ceiling fan and the recessed lights. Again, this was one big space, and we used drywall to create 3 different rooms: the bedroom, the bathroom, and the closet. Drywalls in the ceiling so that we can have recessed lighting. Well, it's easier for recessed lighting. And this is bathroom number 2. Now, I'm going to call this bathroom a Creative bathroom because I believe all of these things are from Creative Building. So from the tiles in the shower to the vanity and the mirror. We got the tub at Jamaica Plumbing, and these fixtures, we actually bought them on Amazon. Again, I did a video before on if you should put in a tub or a shower, and guys, from the perspective of usability, functionality, and everything, every house should have at least one tub in the bathroom, or at least one bathroom with a tub. So here we have it, a tub, and it's pretty big. This tub we got from Jamaica Plumbing, and yeah, look at the vanity, guys, and look at the mirror. I just love this frameless mirror. I love the clean profile. That's the type of girl I am. And as usual, as I told you guys before, each room has its own closet. So this is closet number 2 for bedroom number 2. And again, yes. So I think in one of our previous videos, we mentioned that we would be changing the doors because the doors that were on here were a little flimsy and they were rocking away. So we upgraded these doors and put in, these are PVC doors, very sturdy. It's shaking me, but yeah guys, you have to make sure say you're not buy windows as doors, because the same material that makes windows can make doors, but you don't want to make window doors because they're going to shake all over the place and they won't be as sturdy. These glass are impact resistant, and we have tested them because a few of them broke and they didn't shatter. So yeah, this is a good investment by the homeowner. And again, these doors are from Alcor. Really good investment. All right, now we're going to pause for a commercial break and we'll be right back. Welcome back from our commercial break. I know we're outside again. I don't want you guys to keep waiting, but I had to show you the lights outside. So we got these, the ones here, the sconces, they're from Dunn's. The one under here is from Active, and we also use the like a cement board type material under here to get the look of wood, but it's not really wood, but it was a pretty good investment, right? They can be stain to finish as well, but owner chose to paint them, or the decision was made to paint them. So yeah, but it still looks great. And let's go inside. Let's observe the recessed lighting going down the passageway and enter dining room, kitchen and family room. Guys, look at the kitchen. We still have like 2% of work to be done in here. We have to create some shelving under here, and that will complete this look. But guys, if you remember, oh, and we have some molding trims to put around here, and it will complete the beam. But if you remember what the beam looked like before and the ceiling looked like before, we have come a far way from there. Welcome to the kitchen. Appliances have not yet been installed, but let's take a look and go around. And guys, come on, look at the waterfall, right? Look at that waterfall. I think I'm in love. So the scaffolding is still in here, it's right here. And this area is the living area. We have a fan over the living area. And trust me guys, the breeze bad out of the fan there. And we also have pendant lights over the seating area by the island. The dishwasher has been installed because it needed electrical work behind there, and we didn't want to dig up after we finished the space. Recessed lighting in the island, in the kitchen. All right guys, these gray and white cabinets are from Active. The stone is a Calcutta gray, and we got it at, I don't remember the name of the place, but I'll put the name in the description. I think it's Designer Stone or Stone Designs. It's a place in Mandeville. But guys, it is so pretty, right? It needs to be cleaned up and ting. But yeah, again, brush nickel finishes in here because that is what the owner preferred. We still have the vent to put up inside the kitchen, right? The backsplash, the tiles are from Active as well. But look at that, guys. Isn't this amazing? So gorgeous. Just love this kitchen. And let's talk about this chandelier. This will be the dining area. And look at that chandelier. We also did sconce on the wall just to add different elements of lighting and different colors. So depending on the mood, you can decide which light you want to turn on. So that's awesome. When we initially did this, this was the doorway for the powder room. Boom, boom, boom. But the owner wanted to make a change and move the door. So now the door is hidden around here. It's a hidden door, guys. You would have never known it was here. Let's see what's inside. Bam. Why is it open? I don't know, but we're not gonna find out. just kidding. All right, so we have completed the tiling for the powder room, put up the lighting, which I think is awesome. I absolutely love this light. Love it. So now we need mirror, a vanity, a vessel sink, and what else? Yeah, other little plumbing things to make it work. But those are the pretty things, and we try to ensure that there's a plug. I didn't show you guys that. We tried to ensure that there was a plug in each bathroom by the sink. We also have quite a bit of plugs all over the house for functionality. There's one under the island. If you're doing an island, you might want to consider that. There's one in the side as well, just in case you need to use a blender right there. And there are lots of plugs in the backsplash over the counter. And this is purely from a functionality perspective. All right, let's take a quick peek in the primary. Some of the furniture has already started to come in, so I won't stay too long in here. Right? Yes, there we go. High ceilings in here, recessed lighting, as well as a ceiling fan. Now we're working on the barn door, and I'll show you that when we're complete. Probably by the time I post this video it will be done, so I'll just insert it in here. Yeah, so barn door to go here to lock off the bathroom and the closets. So in this house we have double closets in the primary. Bam! And we did put some pendant lighting in. As I said, guys, from a budget perspective, we decided, well, owner decided to put in cost-effective closet solutions, and he'll change them out at a later date. This is closet number 2. Nice pendant light hanging in there. Right. We also have a water closet. Bam! Ooh, with a throne. I'm such an idiot, guys. No, I'm not. Anyway, enter the primary bathroom or ensuite. And I can almost call this a creative bathroom again, guys, because quite a bit of the things in here are from creative. Right, we have a freestanding tub which we're not even open yet. We'll leave the plastic on because we don't want nothing to happen to it. We have a lovely pendant light hanging over it. I think it can be lower, but let's leave it right there. We don't want anybody to bump their heads into it. And we have the double shower right here with a very wide, I believe this is 5 feet, very wide, very long drain. And let's go up. We have the niche. It's awesome and big enough. And then we have the double shower heads. This bathroom, guys, is a homeowner's dream, trust me. I feel like I could strip down and bathe right here, right now, but I will not. Alright, guys, so we still have some work to do on the mirrors. When we were installing the mirrors, one of them got damaged, and so we have to change that out, but that's minor. We have come a far way. Let's exit the primary suite, please. And let's just step outside and admire the view. Oh yes, and all the doors come with a mosquito screen or insect mesh. And look at that, guys. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that awesome? Look at the windmills, look at the view, and you can see, yes, that is the sea. All right. I just flushed the hair on my eye. All right, so that was the tour of the inside, and as you can tell, I am super excited about this and completing just little touch-ups that we have left to do. And after that, it's a wrap, guys. This project is officially right. This project was officially hacked by a banks. This house was officially hacked by a banks. Yeah. Yeah, but it was great, guys, and I think about doing a series of videos for the different spaces, especially the kitchen, because there's a lot of information to share about when you're building your kitchen. So we might have to do like a kitchen video from this particular project. But enjoy the view, take care of your awesome selves, stay safe, and bye, guys, until next time. Oh, guys, come on, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.